So normally you'd fold up your paint sheet like a regular sheet. Then you got to do one of these, kind of open it up, keep opening it up, turning it. Maybe you get to this point and you lay it out, and then you start running back and forth like this. Open it up, you got it on your floor. When you realize, oh shoot, this is the long side, and I want the long side to be that way, so then you got to start pulling it around like this. You go walk back over here, start pulling your corners into different places. There we go. Finally, you're getting it out how you want it. Oh, now I gotta go back over here, get this closer to the wall. And now you're to a point where you can actually use your drop cloth. But there's an easier way. And you just gotta fold it the right way prior to using it. So every time you use it, you fold it up the right way, you don't gotta worry about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my long side, and I'll bring the corners in. So we're going in on both sides the long way. Put that in towards the middle. Then you can fold it up. You know, either way, go this way or go that way. Now, depending on how thick you want it, you could stop here or you could go another fold. I'm going to do another fold. And then you just start rolling it in on itself. And then this end, I'll leave a little bit like that. Roll it in over the top. Roll it in. That's what you're left with. I mean, you can go another one even if you got smaller space to stick it in. But now, when you're going to use it, all you have to do, pop it down. You know that this is the long way because you can tell that how it's folded. Roll it out. And then you can tell right here, this is the flat side of our sheet. So you just pull that out. Got your flat side there. And boom, you can throw that right against the wall. And depending on how much sheet you need, you can pull this out the full width of the room. A lot of times, if you're working against a wall or something, all you're going to need is 3-4 feet. So then you got a little space to work with here. You're not getting splatter way out over there. So that's a lot easier than unfolding it 4 different ways. You just roll it out, press against the wall, and you're good to go.